Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to use recovery phrase on the application of Reddit. To know how to use recovery phrase on the application of Reddit, you should just go to the top of Reddit as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go to above to this window here. Then in this list, you will enter to Vault. After that, in this page, you will click here to in this sign as you see, and then you'll find this use recovery phrase. You can write anything here in this page to use recovery phrase, and then you will click continue here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.